Molweni bantaze, nansi i-outfit yosuku ekuqopho oluphezulu of course. Guys, asizirobi apha. Asizirobi nansi. Nansi mali ku-360. Mali ku-360 bantaze. Nanku. 360 wakho ke lo nca kuwe ke sana. These two piece guys, andiyazi wayivaleka. Yeah. These two piece guys, ndayithenga legit long time ago. Abanye I'm sure they already know it. And then ezihlangu, Temu, you already know I'm a Temu girl of course. And then this headband or accessories, la, and la. I was a Temu girl, I'm just a Temu girl. Temu era. Temu girl. Siyaphuma sana siyodlala nabanye abantwana. It's a long weekend. It's a Saturday. It's a Saturday. Nangu 360 wakho. Nangu. Yona liseka mntasa. Zitiki.
Lobola ngamabhabhalo